Hello everyone, this is Mahinder. In this video, we are going to solve exercise 13.1 problem number 5. Let us see the question. Rahim removes all the hearts from the cards. What is the probability of getting an ace from the remaining pack? This is the first question. Second one, getting a diamonds. Number 3, getting a card that is not a heart. Number 4, getting the ace of hearts. So we have to find first getting an ace from the remaining pack. So let's look at a deck of cards. So these are the cards. So if you observe, there are two colors, black and red. So here hearts are in red color. These are all hearts. So total number of cards, deck of cards is 52. So from that, if I remove these 13 red cards, how many remaining? 39 are remaining. These are black clubs. These are 13 and 13. Okay, 13 into 3, total 39 cards. Okay, so if I remove, remaining cards are 39. Okay, let's look here. Look at here. Here I have removed hearts. So clubs, spades and diamonds are remaining. So what is our question? Our question is getting an ace from the remaining pack. So how many aces are remaining here? Ace nothing but A. Here is 1, 2, 3. So what is the formula for event? Suppose P of E is our event. What is the formula? Number of favorable outcomes to E by total number of possible outcomes. Okay, this is the formula for the probability. Okay, what is our E here? E is nothing but getting an ace from remaining packs. Okay, right, this is the formula. Write down. I'm erasing everything here. Right, so 1, 2, 3. So our favorable outcomes, how many? 3. We have only 3 A's. Okay, because we have removed heart cards here. Okay, right, total number of possible outcomes, how many? 39. Now what is the probability? Favorable outcomes by total number of outcomes. 3 by 39. So that is nothing but 3 ones are 3 13s. Now 1 by 13 is the probability of the getting an ace from the remaining pack. What is the answer? 1 by 39. Is it clear? I hope you understand. Right, next go for second one. Getting a diamond. So look at here. What is the formula? Remember the formula. I am not writing again and again here. So P of E is equals to number of favorable outcomes to E by total number of possible outcomes is the formula. So favorable outcomes, yeah, how many diamonds are here? Yeah, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 diamond cards here. Okay, so the favorable outcomes is 13. Okay, is it clear? Right. So total outcomes, total number of possible outcomes is equals to 39, because we have 39 cards. These are 13 13 13 13 into 3, 39 cards. Total cards are 39. Okay, our favorable outcomes is 13. Right. What is the probability? That is P of E. Yeah, favorable outcomes to E is 13, because we are having 13 diamond cards, and total number of possible outcomes, that is 39. Okay, now what is the probability? 13 ones, 13 threes, 1 by 3 is the probability of getting a diamond. Is it clear? Right. What is the answer now? 1 by 3. Okay, right. Next, go for problem number 3. Getting a card that is not a heart. So getting a card which not a heart, it means, underline the word not a heart. Not a heart means it is not a heart. We know that already heart cards removed. Okay, heart cards removed already. So there is no heart card in these cards. Okay, so now remaining all the cards are not heart cards. Okay, so here already I will write clearly. Here already heart cards are removed, so the remaining cards are not hearts only. Okay, now how many remaining? 39 are remaining. So what is our event now? Our event is getting a card that is not a heart. Okay, right. See, so P of E is equals to number of favorable outcomes by total number of possible outcomes. Okay, so our favorable outcome is nothing but getting a card which is not heart. It means how many cards remaining? All the cards are our favorable outcomes only. It means that is 39. Okay, 39 cards are belongs to not heart. Okay, right. Total number of possible outcomes, that is also 39. 39 ones, 39 ones, it is equals to 1 is the probability. Okay, this event is called certain event, because if the probability of a event is an event is 1, that is called certain event or sure event. Okay, so getting a card that is not hot, this probability is a 1 because it is a sure event. Okay, I hope you understand. I have given very clearly here. And next problem number. Now coming to fourth one, getting the ace of hearts. So here already the hearts are removed. Okay, so write down here, all the hearts are removed. So here getting the ace of hearts is a impossible event. Okay, the impossible event probability is 0. Already we know that, we have learnt in the interaction concepts only. So therefore the probability of impossible event is 0. Okay, I hope you understand this problem. Once again I will write the answers. Yeah, first one, getting an ace from the remaining packs. The probability of this question is 1 by 13. Number 2, getting a diamond. The probability of that is 1 by 3. And number 3, getting a card that is not heart. Already we know that all the hearts are removed, that is why the probability is 1. It is a sure event. Okay, and next fourth one, getting the ace of hearts. It is an impossible event, that is probability of that event is 0. Is it clear? I hope you understand this problem. Thank you.